On the afternoon of 13th June 2024, the Hynniewtrep Youth Council HYC Central Executive Committee had sent 3 more young men to the Alive Again Foundation, a rehabilitation center in Assam. HYC Secretary Isaac W. Basaiawmoit stated that since the organization launched its anti-drug drive on the 2nd of May 2024, efforts have intensified not only in combating the drug problem across Shillong city, but also in providing counseling and facilitating rehabilitation for affected individuals. He acknowledged the support of parents and reported that 24 youth have been sent for rehabilitation till date. Basaiawmoit expressed optimism that, with continued public cooperation and support, making Shillong drug-free will be achievable.
Ya, ini berbalai. Nanti je.